Long ago, when the earth was filled with violence and corruption, a storm of judgment was about to begin.
But in the midst of chaos, one man found favor with God. His name was Noah. God warned Noah of the coming flood and gave him detailed instructions to build an ark. The ark was to be massive, built of gopher wood, sealed with pitch inside and out.
Noah and his sons labored for years, faithfully following God's command.
The people mocked him, for they did not believe a flood would ever come.
Yet Noah kept building, for his faith was stronger than their doubts.
At last, the ark stood ready. Mola, a vessel of hope against the storm.
Then the animals came place, 2 of every kind, led by God's unseen hand.
Great and small, from the mighty lion.
To the smallest bird, all found shelter within.
Noah's family gathered them carefully as the skies darkened.
Even the creatures of the earth most feared obeyed.
Every species was preserved, for life itself was at stake.
When all had entered, God himself closed the door.
Then the rain began to fall.
For 40 days and nights, rain fell without end.
The waters rose, swallowing the valleys.
Those who had mocked now cried for mercy. But the ark rose above the storm, carried by the hand of God.
Everything outside the ark perished.
For months, the waters covered the earth.
Yet inside, Noah and his family were safe.
At last, God remembered Noah.
The floodwaters began to retreat.
After many months, the ark came to rest upon a mountain.
Noah released a raven, then a dove, to find dry land.
When the dove returned with an olive leaf, Noah knew the earth was renewed.
The time had come to begin again.
The animals spread across the earth once more.
Noah built an altar and offered thanks to God.
And God was pleased with his offering.
God made a covenant with Noah and placed his promise in the sky. Never again would the earth be destroyed by flood. The rainbow became a sign of God's eternal mercy.
And so began a new chapter for humanity, sealed by God's promise.